Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today we have the fourth lecture of English basic grammar. Today we shall discuss about the parts of speech. Parts of speech. Now let us learn what are the parts of speech. By definition, when a sentence is written or spoken, that sentence is divided into some parts, and those parts have specific usage and arrangement. Those parts, those words have the specific usage and specific arrangement. So by their specific usage and arrangement, they have names of different types. So now we shall discuss what are those parts of speeches when written or when spoken in English. We have the example, wow, my books are really taking me into a new world. Now, if you will look at the sentence and we divide this sentence into words, so the first word, wow, is the exclamation, and we have, sorry, no, wow is the interjection. My here, the pronoun. Books are noun, are is the verb, really adverb, taking again verb, me is the pronoun, into preposition, article which is used for article, it is an adjective, and new is also an adjective, world is a noun. So we have learnt that a sentence may comprise of different parts of speech. First of all, we shall discuss about the noun. What is a noun? Everyone knows about the noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. Any name is regarded as the noun. So now look, example, Asif, Kohlu, book, and if we change them into sentences, so we may have Asif lives in Kohlu. So now here we have two nouns, one is Asif and the second one is Kohlu, and Kohlu is a city. Kohlu is a noun and city is also a noun. Quran is a book. We have two nouns in this sentence, Quran and book. And honesty is the best policy, honesty, and plus we have policy. So all these are nouns. Now we have a pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. Okay, noun is a noun is a word which is used in the absence of a noun, or it is used in the place of a noun. So we have he is a boy. Let's say we say Asif. Asif studies. Asif studies in sixth grade. In sixth grade. So there is no need to repeat the noun again and again, and to avoid the repetition of the noun, we use what? We use pronouns. And he, look at the next example, she is a girl, so she here is a noun, it is a dog, it is a not noun, sorry, pronoun, and everyone should study hard. So here we have everyone is a pronoun which is used in the place of noun. Thirdly, we have an adjective. An adjective is a word that modifies a noun or pronoun. Modifies means tells something more about the noun. Now here we have in the sentence, Tariq is a brave soldier. What is brave? Brave is an adjective which is describing the word soldier. And next example, I am happy. So here we have the adjective happy, which is describing the pronoun I. I is described by the happy. And we have next example, he has 20 rupees. 20 is modified by the rupees, and there is some milk in the glass. Some is an adjective and it is modifying the word milk. So we have adjective like that. Next we have verb. A verb is a word used to express an action or state. Keep remember, an action or an a state. So here we have Asif writes a letter. Here is an action. What is Asif doing? Asif is writing. But in case if we say he is a boy, so now here is not an action describing an action. It is telling the state of a person. And the third sentence is Ali was working. Was here used as the helping verb, and working is used as the main verb. Keep remember, main verb. So both are was was and working, both are verbs. And cat jumps, here we have jumps is the verb which is doing an action. Next we have an adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So keep remember, an adverb which modifies a verb, an adjective and an other adverb. So here we shall look one by one example. He reads carefully. Now we have stated that adverb is a word which modifies a verb. So in this first sentence we can say that carefully is describing the word reads, and reads here we have the verb which is modified by carefully. So here, and we have next example is he is a very good player. Now secondly, we have said adverb modifies an adjective. So now here adjective is good, and good is modified by the adverb very. So now we have very, here it is an adverb which is modifying the adjective as defined earlier. The last example of this, thirdly, adverb is also modify another adverb. So here he writes quite well. Well is an adverb, and quite is modifying the word well. So quite also be called as the verb. Sorry, adverb. So keep remember this. Next we have preposition. A preposition is a word that shows a relation of a noun or pronoun to something else or some other words. We have examples. He is in the room. Here we have preposition in, and the book is on the table. On is a preposition and showing the relation of table and book, and here we have room and he, and we are going into the class. The relation of class and we are modified are showed by the preposition into. So we have these types of adverb preposition. Next comes a conjunction. A conjunction is a word that connects two words or sentences. By definition, connects two words or two sentences with each other. Here we have in the first example, Asif and Ali are friends. So two words, Asif and Ali are two words, and they are joined by the word and. So and is called a conjunction. And Asif reads books, but Ali plays games. Now here two sentences. Ali plays games and Asif reads books. They are joined by the word but. So but is also called the conjunction. And at last we have an interjection. An interjection is a word that shows sudden feeling or sudden emotions. So here we have the examples aha, wow, These type of words are called interjections, which are used sometimes in the sentences to show interjection to show sudden feelings or deep emotions in a sentence. Okay, so today's lecture ends here. Keep watching my videos.